Noma Phelo Sesimane. Phelo_Sesi on Instagram, and I am Lupondo_A. So today's video is going to be about we're going to play Would You Rather. So yeah, let's get to it.
Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or be married to a 6 with an amazing personality?
6 with an amazing personality.
6 with an amazing personality, true. Would you rather spend 2 years with your soulmate only to have them die and you never love again? Or you spend your life with someone nice, you settle. I'd rather spend my life with someone nice, settle.
Someone nice that I settle for. Soulmates.
Oh, would you rather be waited on hand, foot by a jealous significant other, or split chores 50-50 with a trusting?
Hey, I split chores, but I'm not waited on split chores.
So
with my significant other.
Okay, would you rather kiss a boy or be kissed by a boy? Okay, I'd rather
be kissed me tonight. So I'm going to initiate kisses.
Would you rather have one partner or have several at once?
One partner. I went to several.
I wanted.
I did not take. Deny. I won't deny next.
I don't understand. I'm sure about one. Okay.
I am sure about one. So okay.
Yeah, depend. Yeah, depend. I like depend. I'm one partner. Yeah, I'm on one partner. No,
several partners. It's even. Next question is: Would you rather have a long-term relationship or have a fling? A long-term relationship.
Yeah,
a fling.
I'm very long-term. But I have a fling.
Yeah.
Guys. You experience in the relationship.
I'm like a long-term relationship.
Yeah, experience. So different.
Guys.
Flings and then like.
No,
umntu flings umuntu oyi-1 iphelile i-term yakho
yabona
umuntu oyi-1 lo
ndifuna long-term relationship lethunani. Would you rather have a hot boyfriend or have an okay boy with a great personality?
I'd rather have an okay boyfriend with a great personality. I'm still no hot bad personality.
Okay boy with a great personality.
Would you rather check out a girl from the front or check out a girl from... And I know I'm chicken, I don't know again. So I'd rather check it from the back. I'd rather check it from the back. Would you rather go out for your date or stay in it for it? I'd rather go out.
Stay in for my date.
Oh, but Nana.
I don't like.
Who need to stay in? I'd rather go out.
I'm stay in for my date, but I can't be going out. What if the one is soulmate? The out on a date.
I don't mind. Kaloku le nto kaloku ungafuneke ungabi na serious fling. Yes, but not soon as hatha xa soulmate ndirhuqa ngalo kasondibuyisa yayibona. Ngoba wena uzawubona usoulmate uhamba ne-relationship serious yakho. Okay.
Guys, I'd rather stay in.
Okay, would you rather kiss a boy on a cheek or kiss a boy on his lips?
On his lips.
Cheek or on his lips.
Kiss a boy on his lips. Cheek. Would
you rather do it in a bed or do it in a car? I'd rather do it in a bed.
I do it in a bed. You are immortal, guys.
Would you rather get back with your ex
or find someone new? Find someone new. No, guys, I can't. My exes I'm Europe. They're 299 degrees. Find someone new.
Okay, I gotta find someone.
Are you sure?
I know. asina-ex
Okay.
ndiyaflinga she's better than me.
Okay. Find someone new.
Would you rather give a massage or receive? I would rather receive.
Receive a massage.
I'd rather receive.
Ndiyakwazi
massage, like
You're
give the best
right,
massage,
guys.
but I'd rather
Yeah.
receive. Not receive.
No. Would you rather sleep naked or
Oh,
sleep
I
with
can
PJs? Sleep naked.
I'd rather you
Any day.
sleep with pictures.
Sleep naked, guys. Ungalala unganibanga.
Sifike sizenze
Hayi bo. Chini sungcola. Would you rather have kids first or get married first? Get married first. Like, I don't know. Just get married first because I'm not going to
ayibali
because
Something
you're
like-
so why you're not
ayibali actually ngazithanda notshata wethu ndiyakho
like I don't need to because ayizokwenzeka. I feel like
abantu
what if meeting
94% uthi would you rather go camping or stay in a hotel?
stay in a hotel.
I'd go camping.
Ndiligwala gqithini
Go
like
camping.
nje one thing ezothi sendi noba ngumoya guys like it just you are between.
Would you rather cuddle and watch movies or go out and adventure?
I'd rather cuddle and not watch movies. God.
Cuddle ntoni kundiqina. Movies ziyadika. I'd rather go out and adventure. Would you rather date a good kiss or date a good? I'd rather date a good kiss.
A good kisser.
So a good laugh. I
Since
mean,
you
the
never
happy is.
I couldn't answer.
So sorry.
A good kisser with me. Yay.
Would you rather break up with someone or be broken up? I'd rather break up. Yo, I'm that privileged.
And good does it. I'd rather break up with someone. Yeah.
You?
I'm gonna cut us again.
Send go.
Like yo. No guys.
Would you rather have your favorite food or give up sex? I'd rather give up sex for 6 months.
Give up. You are
Give
I'm
up
not
your
gonna
favorite food.
Guys, no.
No, give up
Give up
sex.
sex. I shame. No. Yo. Ukutya. I die.
Would you rather have a shotgun wedding or have a large plane wedding? A shotgun.
Shotgun.
Would you rather have one partner by Pinter or have multi? Guys,
One partner.
if I change minds,
Does
Aibo.
one partner.
Nale partner gonna be depend.
Would you rather watch a girl on a girl or a guy on a guy video or turn yourself on
I would rather watch
a
girl, guy, whatever
girl
it is,
in
but not turn myself
turn
on.
on?
Just
First
turn
then,
on,
why am
and
I
then-
torturing
and then what?
myself? Why am I torturing
And then
myself?
what?
Betunan, please. I
Like,
never.
and then what? Okay, now I'm on.
And then what?
What?
Yo.
Would you rather have it with the lights on or have it? It doesn't make any difference.
Lights off.
It
Like all the time.
doesn't make any difference. And then
It's fine. Kaloku, it happened. Kumhlophe. But I prefer it in the dark.
you. Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years or live 10 lives that last 100 years? And live 10 lives that last 100 years.
10 lives that last 100 years each.
Okay. Would you rather use eye drops made of vinegar or toilet paper made of sand? I'd rather use toilet paper made of sandpaper. So wipe and so vinegar.
You guys. No.
Would you rather have to sneeze but not be able to for an entire year, or have something stuck in your eye for an entire year? I'd rather sneeze
but not
be
able to for an entire
something
year.
stuck on my eye.
Ilihlo lam.
No.
Guys, ngoba ndibhoza ngoba ndinelishiya apha.
Would you rather have a dragon or be a dragon?
Be a
What
dragon.
do dragons do?
Be a
No, but I
dragon.
think
I'll
I'd rather
tell
be
you
a
what
dragon.
dragons do.
Rather be a dragon. Okay, would you rather have hair nowhere on your body, or be hairy all over and not be able to? I don't have no hair.
Have no
I'm
hair,
saying
nowhere on my body. Like, guys, you imagine not being able to shave.
In fact, would you never be able to speak again, or always have to say everything that is on, or I'd rather always have to say everything that's on my mind. I'll never be able to speak. That's something else. Would you rather be able to speak fluently every language in the world, or be the best in the world? It's something of your I would rather be the best in the world with something of my children.
Or something of my choosing.
Would you rather wear a snowsuit in the desert or be naked in Antarctica? I'd rather be naked in Antarctica.
Be naked. I love being naked, so like it was obvious.
Would you rather change the past or be able to see into the future? I'd rather be able to see into the future.
That's ones why now.
By Friday.
Yeah, again, 7,000.
Yeah, noba isuka aphi next year mhlawumbe ndinemoto.
Yeah, like just know uba kuzokwenzeka ntoni.
Yabona like
imagine not knowing like
each and every day of my life.
Like at least uyayazi uba ulindele ntoni when you are abethu nani.
Would you rather email an embarrassing email to entire company or eat entire stick of butter? I'd rather eat entire stick of butter, like it butter. Some things never end.
Guys, yes, it's embarrassing bazimane zibuya. Kuthiwa yo kanene kwakhe kwathi.
Noba ungayidelete like sorry. I'd rather eat entire stick of butter, like it butter. Okay, would you rather lose $1,000 or lose all your contacts? I'd rather lose my phone contacts. So as I don't lose $1.
Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again? I never use Instagram again. I cannot eat the same meal for the rest of my life. Noba kuthiwa ndiyithanda iyadika kuyadika ukuthi utya into eyi-one okokoko.
I never use Instagram again.
Wow. Would you rather give up shopping for 6 months or give up emojis for 6 months?
I don't give up emojis. The fact that the option ka shopping ndinayo imali shopping. So I'd rather lose emojis. Which include emojis number 5 and 5. So I'd rather give up into the emoji.
Would you rather have 7-inch TV or have a 2-inch phone?
I have a 2-inch phone
because like at least you can download apps, access to it. Would you rather have body of the opposite sex or have voice of the opposite sex?
I'd rather have a voice. This is cancelled. I saw
imagine
a voice. No, like very akhalekile makhasa and voices. So no, I'd rather have the voice of the opposite sex.
Would you rather have no taste buds or be colorblind?
I'd rather be colorblind.
Be colorblind. Imagine eating ungayazi noba injani into oyityayo. Like
understand?
No. I'd rather be colorblind mna. Ngeke. Ukutya. Guys, ngase xa nditya ndiyive into nditya.
So would you rather never hear music again or lose the ability to read?
Never hear music again. Imagine ndingakwazi ufunda.
At least I'll sing for myself. Would you rather be the richest person in the world or be the smartest person in the world? I'd rather be rich than nobody.
The richest money. As long as I have money, like money, guys. Like let me have money.
Would you rather age from the neck up or age from the neck down? I'd rather age from the neck down.
Age from the neck down. Imagine, guys. Like
2010.
Like
something like that.
And can
age down.
Age down. You
from neck down.
Yeah, that's the end of our video. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share, guys, to your friends so that they can share to their friends and their friends. Thank you.